Welcome back to Huson DIY. This is another Ninja air fryer video.
Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben.
My name's Oliver.
So we've had the Ninja over there for like a while now, haven't we, Oliver? Yeah, and we love it. It's amazing. We cook loads of stuff in it. Our favourite meal on a Saturday today is
bacon and hash brown sandwiches.
Bacon and hash brown sandwiches, yeah. So when we cook bacon in the air fryer, if you've got an air fryer looking for an air fryer, you've kind of got to do it in batches because you've got to cook the bacon through, then get it all crispy. So what we got some accessory for the Ninja air fryer, which is some racks. We've been looking at these for ages. So we've got some from Amazon. We'll put a link in the description. So this video, we're going to unbox it and we're going to make some bacon and hash brown sandwiches. Okay, Oliver, go for it. Get this box open. Let's have a look what we get inside. So as I say, I'll put a link in the description to where we got it off Amazon. They are quite expensive for what they are, really, because they are just basic metal racking. Okay. Box. Okay, so let's stop a second. Let's just do a little bit of a close-up. So we've got the plastic around it. You can see it's fairly cheap metal, but I guess it is what it is in terms of its price because of the popularity of air fryers. So open the plastic, Oliver. Let's get rid of that really annoying plastic. So I went for the rack and it comes with some chicken skewers or kebab skewers in there, so you could use them for obviously meat, for chicken, for beef kebabs. So we'll get some scissors, we'll cut this little cable tie that's in there, and then we'll see how it goes together. It shouldn't be very complicated, but we'll check it out, and then we'll get making some bacon. Okay, so we got the cable tie off, separated them off. It's come with two. You got one that's just standard, so you can I guess change the height. So you do it that way or that way. That one has got these little grooves, would you call them, Oliver? Yeah. Grooves, which these kebab sticks that can then sit on. You cook your chicken on there. It's a nice little kebabs. And we do kebabs sometimes, so we could probably use that, couldn't we? See how they go. You obviously won't be very big kebabs, though, would they? If you look at them. They're quite close together, so they're pretty small kebabs. But it'd work, I think. So we'll get an air fryer tray down, see how they fit inside first of all. And then we can get making bacon and hash browns. Just Tesco hash browns. One of our favourite meals, this. Really quick to do in air fry usually. Hopefully this will make it even quicker. Okay, Oliver's got the air fryer tray there and the grill insert. So Oliver, give it a go, see if it fits. Like a glove. So we can put bacon on the bottom and then bacon on that high up, raised up level there, couldn't we? Yep. And I suppose if we sometimes do bacon and sausage, cook bacon, sausage on bottom, bacon on top, or vice versa. But they fit perfectly. So we'll get his air fryer going over there, get his hash browns in, and then get the bacon on. Yep. Okay, let's get things ready. So we've got those hash browns here. Get them open. 3 of us having hash browns, so we'll have 2, 4, 6, and the bacon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the bacon down in this one across the bottom, put the tray on top, and then we'll put some bacon on that other tray. Okay, so there's 6 in there, 6 rashers of bacon in there, so let me get the tray. So we've got the tray. Okay, so the bacon in that one. Take this. Pop it in there. So hash browns going first. And we'll go air fry 190. 20 minutes. Okay, so decided to do a sync. So I'll go sync. We'll go number 2 first. We'll go there to air fry we'll go down to 15 minutes and then go to 1. Go to max crisp, 240 degrees, and we'll go 12 minutes. So shut. That's on hold, this side's on hold, this side goes 15 minutes. So we'll see how this looks after probably about 5 minutes on the bacon. We'll have a look at it and see how it's cooking. Bacon's kicked in now. We'll give that a few minutes, give it a check. 4 minutes in. Cooking nice. Okay, so there we go. I made some bacon and hash brown sandwiches. Really nice, obviously, because it's bacon and hash brown. But what made it even better was the air fryer. Really easy then to use them inserts to cook the bacon a lot quicker, which makes it a lot easier and less messy. So really impressed with those inserts. Okay, so that was the first thing we've made with those inserts. We'll probably cook other things with them, but if you've got any ideas that you'd cook with the inserts or stuff you've done already, drop that in the comment section, give us some ideas, and we'll maybe do some other videos using people's ideas. Yep. So in our original air fryer video, which I'll put a link up here somewhere, we talked about the pros and cons of the air fryer. One of the cons is you can't put the trays in the dishwasher, which is a pain. One good thing about these inserts, they are dishwasherable. Is that a word?
No.
Dishwasherable, I don't know. So yeah, we can put them in the dishwasher, easy to clean up. Obviously that doesn't mean the trays can go in, but at least they can go in and we don't have to wash them by hand. Okay, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you want to jump back to our first video on the air fryer, our kind of first use, we'll put a link up here and in the description to that one, where me and Oliver and Matilda were in that one. So we'll put a link into that one. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a
like.
If you've got any questions about the insert or the air fryer or what we use the air fryer for or anything at all, drop the question into the comments and we'll reply to them. And most importantly, if you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along, please hit that
subscribe button.
See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.